How to overcome language barriers. Sometimes there is a difference between what you know in your mind and what you can produce at the tip of your tongue, right? People know the theory, people know how to make sentences in their mind, but when there is a time to speak, they just can't make a sound. As a homework, I ask my students to record their voice and do the exercise. For example, a student looks at this picture of onions and hits this button and goes like, there are some onions on the table. I think you've noticed I've just recorded my voice on the table. There are some onions on the table. I hit the send button and the little microphone icon appears in here. I can move it to the place where it belongs to the onions, right? And next time I activate it, I hear my voice. There are some onions on the table. That's how my students do homework, and they find it fun, engaging, and I find it practical. I really see the level of their English increases because they are now becoming more and more comfortable to speak, because they learn language at the tip of their tongue. It's always more effective than paper-based homework.